What the nervous system or the Akasha, the ozone does, it is called as Indra Devata. So many 92 Devatas, Prakaranas are there within this Veda mantra, and visualization at that particular instant, reaching those particular level, the termination point is called a Devata. As such,
sorry to break in the middle. Isn't I read somewhere Chamakam means you are asking God, give me that, give me that. Namakam means in
that's why I said the requirements.
Yeah,
I use the word the requirements.
Okay.
Not asking anybody. We don't want to ask anybody.
Okay.
Dharma will never ask anybody. We are not beggars to ask. We want to become Paramatma, conquer everything. Conquer everything is the philosophy of Dharma. The philosophy of religion is beg everything.
And Namaka is Namaskara, right?
Yes.
Namakam. Chamakam, Namakam, something, what is the other one?
Rudra, Chamaka and Namaka.
What is Rudra?
Rudra is hunger. Rodhanam, Dravikarastakanta. Dissolving the strain is called as Rudra.
Say that again.
When the material is short of energy, the material asks, I need energy. That asking is Rudra.
So what was split? Rudra, how did you...
Rodhana, Dravikarasam.
The way he comes
dissolving the strain.
That is
Ru is Rodhana, Dra is Dravikarasam.
You know, correct. The way
So Veda mantra will have the first character Devata. The second one, in order to reach that energy, you have to select a path in which you have to go. The path is called Rishi. For example, I want to convert the physical matter into energy of the soul. The matter which occupies space is called Vishwa. That is the definition of the Vishwa. Any matter that occupies space is called Vishwa. The friend of the matter is energy. The energy is called Mitra. So if the Vishwa were to go towards the Mitra, that is the soul is the Mitra, the physical matter is the Vishwa, then that path is called as Vishwa plus Mitra. Vishwamitra. So if the Vishwa has to reach the Mitra, if the matter has to become energy, then you have to rise the temperature of the matter. Rising the temperature of the matter is called as Tapaha. Tapa. So Vishwamitra can only do tapas. If he wants to become Vishwamitra, he has to do the tapas. First he has to conquer the physical body. That is why he is called as Vishwajita. Then he becomes the Vishwamitra. So the story has been written, how to conquer the soul and how this body has to work. That is the story of the Vishwamitra. If I want to rise the energy, there are several obstructions in the body. They wrote the story of the Menaka. These are all the internal things that happens. So Vishwamitra Menaka story must be given an internal. If you don't have the Brahmacharya will make us to fall. You can't cross the velocity of light. That is one of the aspects of the Brahmacharya. You have to preserve the matter that is needed for conversion. Preserving the matter is lost in sex and gained in the Brahmacharya. That is why Vishwamitra has to carry on the tapas, overcoming the sexual aspects of it. That is why the story of the Menaka has been written. The Menaka means the sex comes on account of the desire of the Indriyas. For the Indriyas, the mind has to accept. Ma is manas, A is lifting up, Na is the nervous system which regulates the sex, and Ka is the desire of the Indriya. That is why this word Menaka has come into the picture. The very word Menaka says the three things participates in the sex. One is the desire of the mind, the nervous system, and the Indriyas. That is why Ma and Na and Ka, A is lifting up. So that is why the Menaka word comes. So every word in the Vedic system is a Kriyapada. If that is the case, we have to make an internal journey. The path between the two is what is called as Rishi. So the changes that comes in that particular path expressed in sound becomes that particular Veda mantra. So Veda mantra will have a Devata, that is the termination point of energy. Rishi, the path in which the energy flows. Then if that energy has to flow, several participating wavelengths of energy is needed. Every participating wavelength of energy is converted into sound. That sound becomes one syllable of the sound. If there is for a Vishwamitra Kriya, the whole body has to transfer. The body is made up of 5 Gnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, 1 mind and 1 intellect. Actually, the physical body consists of 12 matters. You are all aware that every matter contains two types of energy. One is the energy within the matter. The second one is the energy which binds the particles of the matter. So it means in one single matter there are two energies. One energy existing in the matter. The second one is the energy which binds all those particles together. Consequently, when you say a matter, you must say that it consists of two different types of energies, one higher and one lower. Similarly, the eye is a matter. The eye is not only a matter, the eye is energy also. The matter of the eye will be at one particular wavelength, the energy of the eye will be at another wavelength. How the eye can work? The eye can work in the wavelength of the matter or in the wavelength of the energy. Consequently, there is a division. It can work only between two set parameters. One is the material parameter, the other is energy parameter. That is why if you take a human eye, it can work only at a particular intensity of light at a lower level, and at a higher level another intensity of light. Between these two parameters only it can work, because the wavelength is between that material wavelength to energy wavelength. You have got that band. Different animals have got different wavelengths of matter in the eye. Consequently, their eye function depends upon that construction of the matter and that energy. So the human also, who is made up of 12 different matters, that is called as Dvadasha Rudra, that is 12 different matters which works on hunger. All these things will have hunger, that is why it is called Dvadasha Rudra, will have 24 energies. So it means the prana of the human body is 24 energies. These 24 energies are to be converted into sound. Consequently, the prana of the human body appears in 24 letters or 24 sound syllables. This 24 syllables is what is called as Gayatri. So Gayatri mantra, when you enunciate, what happens is the entire body meets the soul. So through the Gayatri mantra, what happened? The Vishwa joined the Mitra. As such, Vishwamitra Rishi means it is through the Gayatri mantra the Vishwamitra Kriya has come. That is why people say Vishwamitra gave Gayatri mantra. Vishwamitra gave Gayatri mantra. That is why we say Vishwamitra Rishi, Savita Devataha, Gayatri Chandaha.
But he did not create it.
Nobody, Vishwamitra is not a person, I am telling you.
This
It is
is
a person of
the-
creation. I said it is a Kriya. Once it is created, what about before the Vishwamitra? Veda is Sarvakalika, Sarvadeshiya. It is not applicable to one human body, it is applicable to one and all in the universe. It is a thing that is there for all times to come. There is no death for the universe, there is no death for the Vedas. It is an eternal knowledge. That is why we say that Rishi is Vishwamitra Rishi. So every Rishi is a Kriyapada. For example, if you say Kasyapa, it is nervous system. If you say Kaushika, it is Indriyas. The Jnanendriyas is called as Kaushika. If you say Angangas, it is called as Angirasa. A person who eating the food convert that energy into Paramatma is called as Bharadwaja. So there are 2119 Kriyas within the physical body, and so many Gotras has come into existence. These Rishis are all there in the Veda Mantras. Consequently, we have to know so many patterns of energy. It will be surprising if you want to get into certain aspects of the Mahabharata. He says there are 16,400 nadis. Can anybody count 16,400 nadis? They are called Gopika Stris in Mahabharata. This is the nadi. I explain in the Nadi Shastra, when I take the yoga, how all these things have been explained. What is the role of the Bhima? The role of the Bhima is the various pranayama that takes place. When Bhima kills the Jarasandha, when the Nadi becomes Ashuddha, the man dies. So Jara is Muppu or Mrityu. The Mrityu will take you and again you will come back to the life. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. On account of Jara, since you are coming back, Sandha means sun soul. That energy is called Jarasandha. If Jarasandha is to be done, the Nadi Shuddha has to take place. The Nadi Shuddha takes place, how? You take the breath on the left side, throw it on the right. Take the breath on the right side, throw it on the left. So the Jarasandha is to be broke. Divided into two pieces. The left portion must be thrown to the right must be thrown to the left. So the action of the physical